Hey guys, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to fully reset Safari on your Mac in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Safari. In the top menu bar, click on History, then select Clear History. When the pop-up appears, choose All History from the drop-down, then click Clear History to confirm. Next, click Safari in the menu bar and go to Settings. Under the Privacy tab, click Manage Website Data, then hit Remove All and confirm with Remove Now. Now go to the Extensions tab and remove any extensions you no longer need. You can also check the General and Search tabs to reset your home page and default search engine if necessary. For a deeper reset, open Finder, then hold the Option key, click Go in the top menu, and choose Library. In the Library folder, open the Caches folder, find com.apple.safari, and delete everything inside it. And that's it. Safari is now fully reset and should be running like new. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Mac tips. Thanks for watching.